Here I have Xiaomi Redmi S2 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to remove and bypass screen lock or a password protection on the following smartphone. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume up, keep holding both keys. Release both keys as soon as MIUI logo pops up. And this is the MIUI recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to choose wipe data and choose power key to confirm it. Then let's press power key to select wipe all data and to confirm the hard reset, so to erase all personal data and customize settings and also the installed apps. Let's scroll down to confirm and press the power key. Right now the device is formatting itself. As you can see, data wiped successfully. So let's press the power key to back to main menu, and let's press power key again to reboot the device. Tap power key one more time and the phone is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Let's wait until the welcome panel pops up. Excellent, so the welcome panel pops up. It means that the hard reset is done. As you may see, there is no pattern or a password protection, so you can start easily activate your smartphone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.